house apartment. Location, Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines, with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, yes parking, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, malapit sa highway, walking distance lang, may malapit na school, public and private, elementary school, high school hanggang college, malapit sa market, malapit sa lahat. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin yung location. Ito po yung kaka-visit lang natin at na-allocate natin today, February 2025. Ito po yung house apartment na vacant as of today sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines with 1 bedroom. Hello everyone! Welcome po at maraming salamat sa pagbisita sa ating page. Ito po yung full video ng apartment. Ito rin po yung makikita ninyo once na ma-visit nyo itong property. Itong unit na vacant house apartment with 1 bedroom sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. And yes guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Maraming salamat sa pagbisita. Maraming salamat po.